Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best handheld 3D scanner. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is 3DMaker Pro CR-Lite 3D Scanner. Specifications: brand name, by Sophos. Model, CR-Lite. Accuracy, 0.02 mm. Resolution, 0.07 mm. Single capture range, 56 by 100 mm. Frame rate, 10 fps. Light source, blue and white light. Work distance, 100 to 200 mm. Minimum scanning size, 10 mm x 10 mm x 10 mm. Size, 110 by 60 by 35 mm. Weight, 190 grams. Number 4 on our list is revopoint Inspire 3D Scanner. Specifications: technology, binocular dual camera infrared lig. CPU, dual-core ARM Cortex-A7. Accuracy, up to 0.2 mm. Single capture range, 230 x 140 mm at 310 mm. Working distance, 250 mm 500 mm. Minimum point distance, 0.1 mm. Minimum scan volume, 50 x 50 x 50 Maximum scan volume, 2000 x 2000 x 2000 Scan speed, 14 to 18 fps. Light source class, 1 infrared light. Gyroscope, yes. Alignment feature, marker. Scanning environment, indoor and outdoor. Texture scan, yes. Dimensions, 132 x 45 x 27 mm. Required system, configurations Windows 10, 11, Android, iOS, Mac. Weight, 140 grams. Number 3 on our list is CR-Reality 3D Scanner. Specifications: brand name, CR-Reality 3D. Model number, CR-Scan Raptor. Accuracy, up to 0.02 mm at 100 mm, 1. 3D resolution, 0.02 to 2 mm. Scanning speed, up to 60 fps. Min. Scan volume, 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm. Single capture range, 270 mm, 170 mm at 300 mm. Working distance, 150 mm to 400 mm. Color mapping, yes. Alignment mode, marker. Number 2 on our list is CR-Reality CR-Scan Ferret SE. Specifications: brand name, CR-Reality 3D. Model number, CR-Scan Ferret SE. Working distance, 150 mm to 700 mm. Single capture range, 560 mm, 820 mm, 700 mm. Single frame precision, up to 0.1 mm. Scanning speed, up to 30 fps. Data transmission, USB 3.0 Type-C. Minimum scan volume, 150 mm, 150 mm, 150 mm. Minimum point distance, 0.16 mm. Weight, 105 grams. Scanner dimensions, 120 by 30 by 26 in. Operating systems, Windows, Mac. Number 1 on our list is CR-Reality 3D Scanner. Specifications: brand name, CR-Reality 3D. Model number, CR-Scan Honor. Accuracy, up to 0.02 mm at 60 mm. 3D resolution, 0.05 to 2 mm. Scanning speed, up to 20 fps. Min. Scan volume, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. Single capture range, max. 1350 by 840 mm at 1000 mm. Technology, infrared structured light. Working distance, 110 mm to 1000 mm. Color mapping, yes. Alignment modes, geometry, marker, texture. Output format, OBJ, STL, PLY. Buttons, touch. Audible prompt, yes. Calibration board, yes. Operating temperature, -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity, 0 to 90% RH. Input power, 5V3A. Data interface, Type-C, USB 3.0, USB 2.0.